What is going on, everybody? Um, Today I got a special video for you guys. I haven't recorded for a minute, and I'm gonna start recording again because I've noticed in the past when I used to record my 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 games for the day or my moves for the day, it usually used to really help out because I could like look back on like on my past trades and I could learn from them. So let's just start off for the day for today. So today I ended up the day up $250. I mean, I haven't done this in like a month, so it kind of brings everything out of context. But I kind of gotten out of the flow of scalping, and I've been doing more like trying to like trade like the actual chart throughout the day instead of like looking for like opportunities, like fast opportunities. And to be honest, like I really want to trade like that because to be honest, like scalping and Momo trades usually don't really happen as much as, regular setups happen, you know what I'm saying? Like let's say Facebook yesterday, like if you would have played puts for the since the morning and you would have held it throughout the whole day, like you obviously would have made a lot of money. And then but like basically like my type of trading would be like, oh, like this dump it right here, I'll just go heavy right here and just sell off right here, you know what I'm saying? And I low-key haven't been doing that. I've been trying to trade trends, and for now I'm not the best at it because I usually don't like I still have trouble like trusting like these setups that I have set up. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna just try to skip try to not skip it, but like try to focus on what actually makes me money because at the end of the day, like every single trader is like not the same. Everybody has their own specialty, and I feel like my specialty is to get in and out of trades and getting in and out without letting something turn really bad. You know what I'm saying? And usually like when you're trading trends, you have to hold on to stuff like even though it's like not going your way, but it's also going with the trend. You know what I'm saying? There's a good example. Hold on, let me see. I can show you guys a good example about that right now. Oh, I think I deleted it. It was like a Roku flag or something like that. So basically, all right, let's say you're trend trading and you have this flag here, right? And you're anticipating this to go to the upside. So basically, let's say you get in right here, um, and it fails, but it stays within this flag that you believe that it's gonna trend higher. All right, if I was to scalp this right here, I could either scalp this break right here and it runs up right here, or I could just there's a big difference between scalping something or and like holding it like with the trend, you know what I'm saying? As long as it never broke this 100 moving average or the 200, you know what I'm saying? Well, these are the not the averages I use throughout the day. I use these. I use the 21 and the 30, no, 21 and the 9, and then I have the 34 and the 50 right here. But besides that, as long as it doesn't break your averages and it stays within that trend. So let's say I try to go in right here, it broke down a little bit, but it stayed within those averages, and then it finally broke up, and then slowly but surely it kept grinding up, and the contracts kept busting. Um, yeah, that's one way of trading, but what I really prefer is trying to play the break. If it doesn't work out, I get out right away. Probably from break, probably at break even or really minimal minimal win here, or it breaks down here and then I get out of the trade with a small loss and or break even. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, besides that, let's talk about what I did today. So today I scalped a lot. I played these FedEx calls in the morning. FedEx had a crazy ass day today. I bought in at 9:55, 9:54. So let's see 9:54. All right, so I bought it at 9:54. I caught the move super early. Like I even saw like break this like little cup right here. But what happened was I was waiting for confirmation in like the call flow. You know what I'm saying? So I was tracking down the call flow for FedEx. I found out there was like a bunch of bars in the 225, so I bought in. No, no, no. In the 220s, I bought in at 250. I think the HOD on these contracts was like, see the 220s. The HOD was crazy on these contracts. Let me show you guys. The HOD was like $7 a piece, but I I literally sold for small ass profits for like $116. If I would have held this throughout the whole day, that's what? That's $1,000. 246. It would have been like a 300 per center, but like since I saw the gains so fast and so early throughout the day, I just wanted to take them right away. But it had a massive run up after that. I think I got in. Yeah, I got in with the 225s after just one. I tested it out, and it just kept going up. Like I still didn't believe it was gonna go up. I sold out right away, but I still made a profit. But besides that, these 225s ended up at 204 a piece, bro. And the HOD was 325, and I had well, I was gonna buy a bunch of them at $1 a piece, but you know what I'm saying, I didn't buy it. So then I traded Square. Um, I was trying to get in this move on Square right here because it hit one of my demand zones, and for like the past year, like somehow like this zone like around 240 on Square, like I have really good intuition on like where it goes and stuff like that. Um, I wasn't really recording my trades in the past, but every single time that it'll hit like this level around here, I would go in right away because I knew it was a demand level for Square. And right when it touched this level, it literally started gapping up crazy. The volume was going crazy, but the problem is that I couldn't get filled on these contracts at all. Like if I really wanted to, I probably could have got filled, but I didn't want to overpay for the price and like and like there will be a small pullback and the premium will dump on me. But as you can see, like almost except for this candle, it just kept going up and up and up from 234 to to 39 to 290 239 in like one motion basically. And it was really hard to get filled unless you wanted to get filled at like the highest price. You know what I'm saying? At the high like probably like 5 cents above the ask because they were asking for crazy prices. It didn't work out because I tried to buy the pullback right here, but it's fine. Um, I got out with like $1 L because there was still a lot of Momo. Wait, $5 L. There was still a lot of Momo, so I was able to get out of them even though it was dumping. Um, I had this RKT trade. There was a nice pop right here, but there was no follow through. I think UWMC also had a pop. I think so. Nah, but besides that, there was like a bunch of cold buying, so then I bought in 10 cheap contracts, and it didn't move. Like literally, I was in there for like less than 15 seconds, and I got it right away. Sold for nothing, basically probably like $5 of commission or like $8 of commission. Nvidia, Nvidia as well. Like there was a lot of things moving today that it just kept ripping crazy. I think it was this pop right here, Nvidia at 1211. Let's see, 1211. Yeah, so then it was like this whole entire run right here. I was trying to get in, but I couldn't because as you can see, it was like ripping straight odds, and the premiums were really stretched out. I tried to buy in at the dip. It didn't work out, so I got out right away. I bought in at 142 and I sold out at 142, and also bought only two contracts, and that was because I saw like the moves were already stretched on it, and like from that square move, you know what I'm saying? Like since I bought, how much did I buy here? I think I bought five. Yes, since I bought five there, waiting for a retest. I just bought two there because I just thought the move was overextended. But if it was gonna pay, it was just gonna keep on going. But it stopped at that level and it kept chilling around that level for like the rest of the day type shit. I don't know. Nvidia like staying around 205 for some reason. But besides that, uh, I had these PayPal's. Now these PayPal's could have paid me really good. There was a pop out of nowhere in like the middle of the day. I saw these contracts really cheap at actually 40 cents. But bro, I was a little hesitant on it because I didn't know if this candle was gonna turn around or not. So I waited for another follow through candle and I got in. Bro, I literally saw this premium at 40 cents. I could have got a good ass fill and I would have made so much money. But besides that, I bought 20. It was a lot because like once pay like you won't know like once you have like certain stocks that like move with news. Like if PayPal has news, like the premium is gonna move really good. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not gonna lag at all, like at all. Like that premium just straight gaps up and straight does 200 per centers like on anything. You know what I'm saying? So I bought 20 at 67 cents when I sold them at 40. I could have bought it at 40, and then I sold a lot of them at 72, and I sold 10 of them at 70. And it's not really a lot. It's That's a really small spread right there, but I still made $80 on it. But at one point the premium was like at 78 or something like that. I could have walked away with like 200 something, or I probably could have gotten a way better fill, and I probably could have walked in. I mean, walked out of the trade with like 800 to $900, but that didn't happen. So a quick scalp right there. Um, I was trading this AEO, but I wasn't seeing a lot of follow through. But like after I got out, like the premium really started going, and I tried to get back in, which I shouldn't have. I should have just moved to another stock, but what happened was I was looking at these 23 and a half puts, and I fat fingered a fill price to 40 cents when the value was probably like 35 cents, you know what I'm saying, or something like that. And that's a lot. I was trying to hold on for as long as I can right here. I think it was right here. I don't know, it was somewhere that I was feeling uncomfortable holding it, so I just took the L. And low key, it was a big ass L. It was a $70 L, and it kind of ate into my gains for the day, so I was really mad about that. But yeah, I probably should have kept like the auto send off, and I kept it on, and I fat fingered this L. But like I've noticed, like once I'm in profit for the day, like I usually get a little bit careless, like on like trading and stuff like that. So I don't know what my daily goal is gonna be, but I'm probably gonna say $200 or more. Once I have $200 or more, I'll probably just turn off the set, or $300. I don't really know when that happens, like when like that. I don't know what really happens, but maybe I just think I have more space to play with, so I just start bugging out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the last trade was Kellogg's. Now I went in really heavy here as well, but the contracts were really cheap. I bought 20 of the 62 and a half puts. There was news that Kellogg's like the factory workers were going on strike, and they were making no types of cereal. So I knew it was gonna dump the stock right away. I saw a really nice heavy volume candle. I really like that these candles come out black for me because I have it coated. I have TOS coated, so it'll show me black candles when the volume is extremely irregular. Obviously you could see it here, but like once you see like these candles, like it kind of gives you like a bookmark like within the charts, like where like a big buy like where a big buyer or a big seller comes in. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with PayPal. Like PayPal, I had that yellow candle. So when I see yellow, I know big money, or like somebody big bought in. So as I was saying, the K, it didn't move a lot, but since I had a lot of contracts, I bought in at 25. I sold a lot at 31, 30. In the hot, I sold at 35. But I ended up the day up 249 after commissions, $180. But the good news is that I'm getting my commission lowered tomorrow. I spoke to them cause they said that like if I deposit like 2,000 more dollars, 2,000 or more or something like that, like they were gonna lower it to 35 cents. So I did that. Once they lower my commission, I'm gonna withdraw that bread right away, and that's gonna help save a lot on commissions. But if I'm gonna trade like this, I'm obviously gonna spend a lot on commissions. But I'd rather trade like this and make mad bread throughout the day than like trade my own style. You know what I'm saying? This is kind of all over the place, but this is my first video in a minute. But besides that, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys had a great trading day. I'm gonna be back tomorrow, and yeah, I'll let you know about what happens tomorrow. Peace out.